I am Tanishka Rador of class 11th studying in Narayan Inter College. I am here to tell a story about someone who inspired me the most. This story is about Adam Hari, India's first transman pilot. So wherever I use pronoun they, them, their, it's for Adam Hari because this is the right way to address a trans man. Adam says, Adam says, I have wanted this since I was a child. I have dreamed of nothing but the idea of being in a pilot jet. My father bought me a fighter jet when I was a child. But he said my gender stare at me in my face anytime I even try to conjure up the courage to pursue it. I was male in the inside, but the surety of it always apart from the other children. When I was in school, I faced bullying from teachers and students alike. At the age of 13, I first realized that there are people like me in the world and they are called transgender. I never had courage to tell my parents about it. But my parents knew it from my behavior. It was too clear not to understand. I was still in a situation I could not express my identity because I grew up in the Muslim Orthodox family, so strict, even I could not wear a pair of jeans outside my house. Adam never forget the dream they started with. They thought they could pursue their studies goals by hiding their identity. When I got freedom of my own for the first time in the way I presented myself, though I was a man, this was the first time I got to act my gender freely. But the going got tougher when money ran short. Although Adam tried to survive through hectic days with part-time job, financial constraint at home forced them to return. After securing license, they rushed back home at the age of 18. This was the worst period of my life. My family was so ashamed of me and scared of what other people would say that they subjected me to mental and physical torture. They thought they could change me if they abused me enough. At the age of 19, Adam left home for Kochi, unable to take the treatment. I only had my license, so I couldn't practice the work I wanted to, says Adam. There were no shelter in Kochi. I was shuffling from place to place. I took manual jobs just to eat and survive. People started to notice me when Mother Mume printed a story about them as first trans man license holder. What followed was a call from Government Child Welfare Department. They asked me to talk to IAS Prakhar sir. Prakhar sir took the initiative and started looking for spaces where I could finish what I started. Many academies rejected me for being transgender. Finally, Rajiv Gandhi Institute took me for commercial pilot training course for 3 years. State government has awarded Adam 23 lakh to pursue their education. For other trans people, Adam like to say, whatever it is that you are struggling with, you have government for support and economic service you can avail. And if nothing else, know that you are not alone.